for premium market opportunities, presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
A very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Australian shares are expected to open lower this morning. That's in tandem with moves on Wall Street as fears of further rate hikes from the US Federal Reserve and the local central bank weighed on investor risk appetite. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.6% fall. Yesterday, the benchmark slipped 0.2%. Now moving on to business news. Top Australian grocer, the Woolworths Group, posted a 25% rise in its first half profit as soaring inflation supported sales growth while pandemic-related expenses slowed. Demand for groceries and essential items remained robust as rising prices and subsequent cost of living pressures forced shoppers to pull back on discretionary spending. Net profit attributable to continuing operations, excluding one-off costs, was $845 million for the 6 months ending the 1st of January, compared with $676 million a year earlier. Woolworths has helped by a 2.5% jump in total sales of top revenue generating unit Australia Food to $24.39 billion, with a gross margin ticking 48 basis points higher to 30.7%. They declared an interim dividend of 46 cents per share compared with 39 cents per share a year earlier. Australia's Origin Energy said a consortium comprising of Brookfield has trimmed its cash buyout offer price to $8.90 per share, implying a deal value of $15.33 billion compared with a prior proposal of $15.5 billion. The revised offer comprises $8.90 apiece for the first 100,000 Origin shares. For any stake above, shareholders will receive a combination of $4.33 and $3.19 per share. The energy retailer said the Origin board considers the revised proposal and has the potential to deliver significant value to shareholders and accordingly intends to continue to progress discussions with the consortium. And Worley has entered into an agreement with CAM Industrial Solutions to sell its turnaround and maintenance business in North America, including the power operations and maintenance business, which is part of Woolies America's Field Services, for a cash consideration of $125 million US. That's around 180 Aussie dollars. Worley's construction and fabrication business in North America is not included in the sale. The transaction is expected to close in the second half of financial year 2023. The company saw a statutory net loss of $99 million from a net profit of $79 million in the year earlier period and declared a flat interim dividend of 25 cents a share unfranked. Well, it's time now for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from anchor to zero coin.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 2.1%, its worst downturn since December 2022, when it fell 2.3% on the 15th. The S&P 500 slid 2%, making it the worst day since December the 15th, when it fell 2.5%. Now, the tech-heavy Nasdaq pulled back by 2.5%. Across the Atlantic and European markets closed lower. London's FTSE fell 0.5%, Frankfurt lost 0.5%, while Paris closed 0.4% lower. Brent crude dropped 1.4% to $82.87 a barrel. Spot gold was down 0.5% to $1,832 an ounce, and iron ore added 1.2% to $130 a tonne. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading and stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.